Okay, so we are just going to upload all of the content we have made in our Sandbox course and put it into your College and Career Awareness Canvas course. The Sandbox course, I just think of it as like a little kid playing in a sandbox. You kind of play around with things, and then you transfer everything into this course, College and Career Awareness, the final things. So to do that, you simply just click on the course, and you'll see right here, import existing content. You click right there. Then you click this drop down arrow, copy a Canvas course. This drop down arrow to search for course. You're going to scroll down to the bottom. You probably don't have quite as many as me, hopefully. And just click Sandbox 1-L Nyman. Click Include Completed Courses. And since you are just importing all of it, click All Content. If you wanted to only do specific things, you'd click right here, but since you need all of it, just click All Content, then click Import. I'm not going to do it because it's already in my Sandbox course, but you click Import and it'll show up down here. When it is done, you will see this green button, Completed. To make sure that everything looks okay, you just click right here to Modules, and you should have all of this content that I have created from previous years. Now you may need to fix due dates or different things like that, but I'm happy to show you how to do those different things. Let me know if you have any questions.